Hi, thank you for watching my videos and forwarding them and supporting uh, in whatever ways. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. Well, uh, something very inspiring I want to share with you today. I'm very excited to share this. आज जब मैं मेडिटेशन कर रही थी तो वेरी इंस्पायरिंग थॉट केम इन. आई सपोज दैट्स फ्रॉम द सोल विद इन. एक मैसेज मिला कि feed someone today before you eat. I was touched because जब आप मेडिटेशन करते हो तो यू गेट कनेक्टेड विद द सुप्रीम, राइट? सुप्रीम पावर, डिवाइन, एंड your soul get connected. And generally we feed our body, but there is something else we need to feed, right? Feed our soul. The food for our soul is something else which gives us satisfaction. So, my soul has given me this message today that feed someone before you eat today. And this message was so inspiring that just after the meditation, I collected the food items at my home and bought something from outside. And I just went out to feed at least one people, but I knew that I'll get more. Um, because we know the conditions around our areas. And fortunately or unfortunately, I don't know, but I find 10 people and I distributed the items among them. And actually, it was the food for my soul. It was really very satisfactory. I hope you must be uh, uh, feeling same. I mean, you can realize how powerful it is to. Uh, I have no words. Well, जहाँ भी आप हैं, नाउ इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट टू यू, बिकॉज बहुत लोगों ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया है एंड दे वांट टू एक्चुअली वॉल्टियर इन माय ड्राइव्स, इन माय इनिशिएटिव्स, राइट? एंड they don't know how to volunteer and what to do, but they actually want to. So here is a mission for you as well, right? आप जहाँ भी हैं, जिस भी सिटी में, जिस भी एरिया में आप रहते हैं, you must be having people around you who need a meal a day, right? So if you can feed at least one person a day, it will be really satisfactory for you as well. तो बहुत से तरीके हैं वॉलंटियर करने के. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो मेरे वीडियोस को फॉरवर्ड करते रहिए, शेयर करते रहिए लोगों में, ताकि वो अवेयर हों कुछ आइडियाज़ से एंड सहमत हों, और शायद कुछ लोग इसको आगे बढ़ने में मदद कर पाएँ, राइट? सो forward this, and people who want to contribute by providing meals, most welcome, please contact me. And those who have my number can WhatsApp me to help this drive by providing meals or by contributing in distribution as well. Okay, so you can mail me also at my personal email ID, that is happytohelp.heal, happytohelp.heal at gmail.com. And that's what my mission is. So this is something I have got for a lifetime, I suppose. um, what a lovely idea, right? Feed before you eat. So please support this drive, feed before you eat. And I want to think about it, think for a moment, and कि एक वक्त का खाना तो हम शायद प्रोवाइड कर ही सकते हैं, राइट? वी आर कैपेबल अनफ in whatever ways you can, by buying some cookies, bread, anything you can, right? So प्लीज़ डू दिस, मेक पीपल अवेयर ऑफ इट. और मेरे बहुत से दोस्त, कलीग्स, रिलेटिव्स, जो लोग जहाँ पे भी हैं, अगर वो वास्तव में मेरी ड्राइव को, मेरे इनिशिएटिव्स को सपोर्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो प्लीज़ इसका एक हिस्सा बनिए, इस ड्राइव का. अपने एरिया में लीड लीजिए, प्लीज़ टेक लीड, राइट? वी नीड लीडर्स, वी नीड पीपल टू वर्क टुगेदर टू मेक समथिंग सक्सेसफुल. ओके, आइडिया होता है, लेकिन करने वाले चाहिए होते हैं, तो वी नीड पीपल। ओके, तो आप जहाँ भी हैं, जिस भी जगह हैं, इस ड्राइव को सपोर्ट कीजिए बाय प्रोवाइडिंग मील from one home. I can guarantee that we can feed many people before we eat. Not only one, we can feed many, and this will definitely give you such a satisfaction that you will thank yourself that you volunteered and made this successful. So thank you very much. Please do this. Feed before you eat. Thank you.